Did you know one simple verb, come, can create dozens of useful expressions in everyday English? Yup, and today I'll show you 12 super practical phrasal verbs with come that will instantly upgrade your English speaking. Let's go, or should I say, let's come with me. 1. Come up, meaning to appear or happen unexpectedly. Example: a great job opportunity came up, so I applied immediately. 2. Come up with, meaning to produce or think of an idea or solution. Example: I need to come up with a new video idea for ESC Speaking and Conversation. 3. Come across, meaning to find something or someone by chance. Example: I came across an old photo of myself and wow, I looked so cute. 4. Come around, meaning to change your opinion, to visit someone's place. Examples: don't worry, he'll come around and agree with the plan. You should come around sometime and say hi. 5. Come about, meaning to happen or occur. Example: how did the mistake come about? 6. Come along, meaning to join someone, to make progress. Examples: we're going to the beach. Want to come along? Your English speaking is really coming along. 7. Come out, meaning to appear, be released, or become known. Example: the results will come out tomorrow. Fingers crossed. 8. Come back, meaning to return. Example: don't forget to come back and watch my next video. 9. Come over, meaning to visit someone's home. Example: you should come over this weekend. I'll make coffee. 10. Come through, meaning to succeed or survive a difficult situation, to deliver what was promised. Examples: she really came through during the crisis. ESC Speaking and Conversation always comes through with easy English lessons. 11th. Come apart, meaning to break into pieces. Example: my bag came apart when I pulled the zipper too hard. Fantastic. 12th. Come before, meaning to be more important than something else. Example: your health should come before everything. 13. Come upon, meaning to encounter or discover unexpectedly, more formal. Example: we came upon a beautiful hidden waterfall during our trip. Psst, before you go, which come phrasal verb will you use today? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so English becomes easier for everyone. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to come back.